Welcome to Product Critique, where we delve deep into the latest gadgets to give you a comprehensive review. Today, we're exploring the Panasonic Lumix S9, a compact yet powerful addition to the mirrorless camera market. Let's see if this camera lives up to its promises. The Panasonic Lumix S9 is designed for those who crave high-quality video in a compact body. It inherits impressive features from its pricier sibling, the S5 II, but is aimed more at beginner filmmakers and content creators. First impressions matter, and the S9 stands out with its colorful and compact design. It's Panasonic's smallest full-frame camera to date, measuring just over 4.9 inches in width. Despite its size, it feels sturdy and well-built. However, it lacks a viewfinder and hot shoe, which might deter some photographers. What sets the S9 apart is its video capabilities. It boasts open-gate 6K video recording, delivering stunning video quality that's a step above its competition. The real-time LUT's color profiles enhance creative possibilities, making color grading straightforward. The image stabilization system is also top-notch, ensuring smooth footage even in run-and-gun scenarios. With a 24.2 megapixels full-frame sensor, the S9 captures detailed stills and vibrant videos. The autofocus system performs admirably, with reliable subject detection for both human and animal subjects. However, there's no headphone jack, which limits audio monitoring options, a drawback for serious videographers. Using the S9 is intuitive, thanks to its vari-angle touchscreen that's handy for framing shots from various angles. The controls are well placed, though the absence of a viewfinder can be challenging in bright sunlight. It's geared more towards point-and-shoot videography, offering an experience akin to using a smartphone. In conclusion, the Panasonic Lumix S9 is a mixed bag of innovation and compromise. It excels in video quality and compactness but falls short in some key areas like audio monitoring and lens compatibility. For beginner filmmakers and content creators looking to step up from entry-level gear, the S9 offers incredible value and performance. Would I recommend it? Absolutely, if you're prioritizing video quality and ease of use over traditional photography features. It's a testament to Panasonic's commitment to innovation in the mirrorless camera market. That wraps up our review of the Panasonic Lumix S9. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.